everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the replacement teacher using Google Calendar. Once you're in Google Calendar, over on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of calendars. My calendars are calendars that you have created, and other calendars are calendars that are shared with you by other people. Depending on what building you're in, you might have one or two replacement teachers, which means that if you have two replacement teachers, you might have two calendars shared with you. So in this example, there are two replacement teachers in Maple Hill. So when checking the availability, I want to make sure that I'm turning on both replacement teachers' calendars to see when they're available in that building. So I now have a quick glance of who is available on which day. So if I'm choosing to have the replacement teacher in my class on Monday, I can see that Larissa is available at Maple Hill on Monday. So to create an event, I click into a Monday time slot that I'm looking for. And the first thing I'm going to want to do is change the calendar. It will automatically default to yourself in your own calendar. And you want to make sure that you're changing that so that this is on the replacement teacher's calendar. Then you can put in your title. You can change the time if you need. And you want to make sure that you are adding yourself to this calendar event so that it shows up not only on the replacement teacher's calendar that you're adding it to, but it also shows up on your calendar. So this is an important step. Don't forget to invite yourself to this meeting. You can add in a location so that the replacement teacher knows where they're going. And you can also choose to add any descriptions or attachments right here as well. So if you'd like to put in some lesson information or attach anything, you can attach it right to the calendar. Another option for letting the replacement teacher know about your lesson is if you click into the calendar event that says Larissa at Maple or Nancy in the building, you'll see that there is an instructional form attached to that. You don't have to do both. You can either choose to do the instructional form or you can put it into the details of the actual event itself. So again, if you want to do that detail event, you can add an attachment, add a description. But this instructional form will give the replacement teacher a little bit more information. It's the date of the lesson, the start time, the subjects, the learning environment, the type of instruction that it is, the overview. It's just a little bit more detailed. So if you choose to use the instructional form, great, or you can choose to use the description and the attachment feature on Google Calendar itself. And that's pretty much it. So I can now see that I've signed up for the replacement teacher and I've sent a request to myself. If you have any questions about Google Calendar, you can feel free to reach out to techcosa@ecsdm.org and we'll be more than happy to help you out.